What's happening in Rivermill in Glen Allen, Virginia? Here's your development update for fall of 2022. Let's start with our homes. We have it all. Low maintenance townhomes and single family homes of all shapes and sizes. We even have 3 custom home builders waiting to build you the home of your dreams. Visit all of our builders and see what they can build for you at rivermillnewhomes.com. A couple months ago, we shared that the brand new Connection Amenity Center had opened, and our homeowners love it. The clubhouse offers ample open space, a catering kitchen, conference rooms, a game room, a screened-in porch, and so much more. Want to enjoy a craft beer on a crisp fall evening? We have fire pits. One is at the award-winning Mill Square Park, and the other is at the Connection. Both amenity centers offer outdoor kitchens and places to gather and are connected by miles of trails and sidewalks. Rivermill also offers a hammock garden, an amphitheater, and a beautiful nature trail adjacent to the Chickahominy River. The nature-themed playground is almost done, so stay tuned. Our lifestyle team works hard to bring the How You Live lifestyle to Rivermill and has been offering fun events to unite the community. Rivermill is an HHHunt community. For a complete list of our communities, please visit HHHuntcommunities.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.